Alright, so I managed to get the engine on its side. Plug those up with paper towels. I'm probably gonna do that one a little better. Very dirty. I left the water pump on just so I can clean the sides of the engine. The front of the engine is probably gonna get, won't be able to get cleaned until I can take this crank position wheel or whatever this is called off. Once I take that off, the front of it will get clean, because I think for me to I can get the cylinder head off without taking the timing cover off or whatever's down here. But this is how dirty it is. We're gonna attempt to clean it. I got degrease here. I did let oil get in some of these. Sorry, you can't even see that. I did let oil get into that one hole right there. I'm gonna try and, scavenge that out. But take a brush to it real quick, brush all this dirt off, and spray some degreaser, and then wipe it down with some paper towels and see how it comes out.
Yo, the microfilm heist, my words are like a photo. Hippolytan is searching for hookers outside the Hojo. Anti-postal design, crudo or Kodo. Posing with zebras, roll up the Chiba, dip the Lolo. Nuxu Cal, Bronsonelli, Commandante. Consul Yeti, hold it steady, hold the gold machete. Smoking heavy, artichoke spread over spaghetti. I float for the green, snow with confetti. Now, back on the beat, press a 9 on your cheek, die on your feet. In the jungle, I'm a lion for me. Islands of Greece for my inner peace, designing a feast. Right on the beach, spin the lamb 1,000 times for my peeps. Yeah, fresh milk up in the cage, that's just to age the cheesin'. Fiends wash up like a turtle during mating season. I'm in Flushing for real, baby, so come and see me. Your team ain't ready for winter war like Mussolini.
Know that, niggas, son.
Alright, so I tried to clean it up. It's definitely in a better state than it once was in terms of cleanliness, but it is still riddled with oil. I'm probably just gonna take this oil pan off, pressure wash it at a car wash or something, and then have the block itself get like cleaned or something. I don't know. Cylinder head, I can get that clean because it's gonna get clean because all the work's gonna be done to it. But the block, I gotta take this bracket off too. The block itself, I'm probably gonna take, if I can lift it, get it pressure washed or something like that. Leave it in someone's truck bed and pressure wash it. It's just the front now that's really, really greasy. It's just the timing chain and all that stuff. But we got to where we want it to be. Engine is tore down. All that's left is the block, the water pump, and the cylinder head. And the oil filter I can't take off. For some reason, the oil is still just chilling inside. So we're just gonna leave that on for now. And if I can wash it, I'll go get it pressure washed. If not, it's not the end of the world.
But a very important one, and it was scheduled to talk about the great things that we're doing with the Secretary on the Veterans Administration. And we will talk about that very much so in a little while, but I thought I should put out a comment as to what's going on in Charlottesville. So again, I want to thank everybody for being here. In particular, I want to thank
while I sit and pretend to make amends with all these false loves. I pray to cement will fucking swallow you. I follow you down road to this broken hearted love for you. My heart is gone to series of course. Never mind me while I sit and pretend to make amends with all these false loves. I pray to cement will fucking swallow you. I follow you down road to this broken hearted love for you. My heart is gone to series of course. Why the fuck should I apologize? Country's orderless, it's a lie by these fucking government scumbag dick suckers with ties. Wanna fight for my future is right in my hands, and the future of many youth. If I play my cards can advance in genuine diamond over my mind, and where can I find this future? Step in your mind or you will be blinded, trapped in a mind that flies within our walls. I'm feeling like my mind within the war between myself, between the slavery of media. It's poor presentation.
violence on many sides.
Such is the pity depending on people resembling Bible Satan. Set them up often, with them up often like it's PlayStation. Open up your minds and come together as a nation. Why?
It's been going on for a long, long time. It is no place in America. What is vital now is a swift restoration of law and order and the protection society, and no child should ever be afraid to go outside and play.
All right, so this is the exhaust side, and the reason why I taped these off was I'm about to clean the oil pan because it's really dirty, as you can see. I'm about to clean the whole block in general. So when the cleaner comes down, I don't want it to get inside the cylinder head. The exhaust side is blocked off, but I'm about to do the intake side the same thing and get to clean it. I'm also gonna block off the water pump too. I gotta see this water pump, not the water pump, that's like the thermostat housing and stuff. The water pump should come off today, and I don't know if I can pull this off. This 13's all around, but I don't know if this piece will come off easily. I hope it does, because that would make it easier for me to clean the front part where the timing case and everything is at. But yeah. I gotta plug that as well.
From the block to the top, Buddha baggies in the sock. Only thing that changed now is we ain't running out of stock. Used to beg Mom Dukes for lunch money. Honeys used to run from me when pockets was dust bunnies. Now what's funny is we done came up and conquered. Even the future looking bonkers from Compton to Yonkers. Though them gangsters grill, I tell them keep that drama away. Don't fuck with these, I like Jason who's sponsoring the tape. They launching out strays, I'm trying not to get sprayed. Whether a spitter or a quitter behind the trigger, approaching his prey. His eyes bigger, won't stop to consider what's right or wrong, because it's hard liquor that's inside his liver. But that's his daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam. But that's his daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam. Traded in my nights for a new mic. I guess it's safe to say he sold souls for his new life. Like they were trying to blind us, but we know the true designer. They the one to see us, find to divine us. So now we hit the vines up day and night on the regular. I know my mama praying like she want me reach my aims in life, but just staying sight. So I'm shooting for my dreams. Hit the booth and the boost my esteem. The pro ever crew recruiting in them fiends by the boatload. Nigga caught a wave and now he surfing coastal. They don't feel the name, but they say the music dope though. Fuck it, that's how it's supposed to go. These bloggers too emotional. Don't be posting you until labels started to scope of you. By then it's where I lay, and I be chilling where I lay. Cause I'd rather see the top than to be living where I lay. And balances in my Kundalini. They tryna put two through my beanie. With shit well, tryna proof a genie. But that's just daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam. But that's just daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam. But that's just daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam. But that's just daily routine. The streets are cool fiends, whether the hoops or the booth, niggas shoot dreams. Better choose the right scheme, cause you could think you cool with your nice things, but get wiped clean for ice cream when the lights beam.
Yeah, so I took all that sludge came off of the timing cover, front engine cover, water pump, all of this. I'm gonna have to take it to get it power washed, because this is not, we're making progress, but this is not towels and cleaner progress. We need to actually power wash it.
Yes!
Alright, so this is the engine a day after the wash. It's upside down for a reason, so all the water would not go into the block itself, but more so into the cylinder head, which is coming off, getting cleaned, whatever. I was afraid that the water would go into the cylinder head, but the exhaust side and the intake side are actually at an angle, so like water would only pool up down here. Water would pool up on this section rather than keep going up. So the engine is just way cleaner than when I got it. I don't know if I have a good before and after, but it was extremely dirty, all black. You couldn't even see the silver on this. You couldn't see the silver on that. Even on the timing cover and everything, you couldn't see the silver. So it's in a way better state now. So what's next is taking the cylinder head off, getting it, machine port polished, put another cam in it. Maybe taking off the timing cover and put a new timing chain, timing guide, timing spring. I'm gonna ask my friend if I should do that, because this is what's keeping it on right now. And this is the crank bolt, I believe, which is torqued to 300 foot-pounds. And as you see, I don't have a flywheel back here, so it's not like I can lock the flywheel in place and then take a long ass breaker bar and break it loose. So I don't know. It's an engine from the 90s. Don't know the mileage on it. It did come from a manual, so I'm hoping that all the timing and everything is fine in here. But I do want to change the gaskets. That's the thing. I do want to change the gaskets for that portion of the car. Just because I'm changing every other gasket, I feel like I should change the timing case gasket too. This is automatic. I think this is the spring tensioner for the chain. I'm definitely going to change that. Yeah, you can kind of see here. I guess I don't have a flashlight, but I guess a little bit of the water's coming out. I'm not too worried, because at least it'll sit up in here rather than going into the block itself, you know? So I'm still just gonna let it dry, but it's definitely looks way better than it did when I first got it.